What if your donkey suddenly spoke? Sounds impossible, but this wild tale comes straight from the Bible. Balaam was a prophet offered riches to curse Israel. Tempted, he saddled his donkey and set out. An angel of the Lord stood ahead, sword drawn. Balaam was blind to it, but his donkey sensed the threat. First, the donkey swerved into a field. Balaam struck it. Next, it crushed his foot against a wall, and he beat it again. Finally, with no escape, the donkey collapsed under him. Furious, Balaam struck harder. Then God opened the donkey's mouth. "What have I done to you to make you beat me 3 times?" it asked. Instead of shock, Balaam argued back. At that moment, God opened his eyes. He saw the angel's sword blazing. The angel said, "Your path is reckless. The donkey saved your life." Humbled, Balaam bowed low. The lesson: obstacles can be God's mercy. Sometimes even a donkey will wake us before it's too late.